If you're ready to elevate your Tacoma to new heights, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Tacoma lift kits, where we'll uncover the best options to help you conquer any terrain. Check out the links in the description for all the details you need to transform your ride. Now, let's dive in. Rough Country Tacoma Lift Kit. Elevate your Tacoma's performance, protection, and style with the Rough Country 3.5-inch bolt-on lift kit. Featuring N3 struts for a premium ride on and off-road, this kit offers unmatched ground clearance and conquers obstacles effortlessly. The front struts provide a 3.5-inch lift, eliminating the need for strut spacers. It includes upper control arms, differential spacers, lift blocks, U-bolts, and more for a comprehensive upgrade. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, you can trust this kit to enhance your Tacoma's capabilities and maintain a smooth OEM-like ride. CHEINAUTO Tacoma Lift Kit. Experience a lift kit designed for ease and performance. With CHEINAUTO's 3-inch front and 2-inch rear Tacoma leveling lift kits. This kit is compatible with 1995 and 2004 Tacoma 6-lug and 1995 and 2002 4Runner 6-lug. The Strut Spacer Kit provides unmatched ground clearance for both on and off-road adventures, allowing you to fit larger custom rims and tires. Crafted from 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, these spacers are high quality, corrosion-resistant, and precision-engineered for safety and comfort. With a warranty covering these leveling kits for a year, they ensure your driving is both safe and enjoyable. J2 Engineering Tacoma Lift Kit. Give your Tacoma the lift it deserves with the J2 Engineering 3-inch rear leveling lift block kit. This kit is a perfect fit for 1995 and 2022 Tacoma trucks with 6-lug hubs. It offers a 3-inch lift for the rear, adding ground clearance and enabling larger tires. Made of carbon steel with a black textured powder coat finish, it guarantees superior strength and an excellent fit for your truck. The kit includes tapered rear lift blocks and 4 U-bolts. While the bolt-in installation is relatively easy, professional installation is recommended for optimum results. Take your Tacoma to new heights with this reliable and durable lift kit. SUPERLIFT Tacoma Lift Kit. Enhance the performance of your 2005 and 2023 Toyota Tacoma with the SUPERLIFT Lift Kit shock box, featuring Fox 2.0 shocks for the rear set. Designed for Tacomas with 0 and 1-inch lift, this kit includes Fox Performance Series 2.0 shocks for exceptional on- and off-road performance. The race-developed high-flow piston design ensures top-notch performance. With hard anodized finishes for durability, this kit helps your Tacoma tackle various terrains with ease. Elevate your ride and experience the difference with this reliable and high-performance lift kit. MERXENG Tacoma Lift Kit. Upgrade your Tacoma's stance and capabilities with the MERXENG Leveling Lift Kit, suitable for 1995 and 2021 Tacomas and 2000 and 2021 Tundras. This kit offers extra ground clearance to accommodate larger tires and wheels, enhancing your vehicle's appearance. Crafted from T6 aircraft-grade aluminum, these spacers undergo CNC milling for precision and strength. The black coating not only adds strength but also lends a sleek appearance. With easy installation that requires no cutting or welding, this kit is DIY-friendly. Backed by a 12-month guarantee, it's built to last. And if you have any questions, MERXENG is there to assist you. Elevate your Tacoma's potential with these top-tier lift kits and conquer the world. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting truck upgrades.